Welcome to the 2022 Unity Beginners course. This is episode 11 and I will show you layers and tags in Unity. Layers and tags are useful properties for categorizing and filtering game objects. For example, we can detect the player object in collision events and trigger the corresponding game actions. Besides tags and layers, there are also sorting layers, which are mainly for managing the order of 2D sprites. To manage layers and tags, head to the Tags and Layers tab in the project settings. We can add a new item by clicking the plus button. Then, we can click on our desired objects and set its tag and layer. To remove an item, select the desired item and click the minus button. Note, the item will still remain there, but it will disappear after restarting the editor. Game object property contains the tag and layer properties, allowing us to directly access them in the scripts. Layers are also useful for controlling the visibility of objects in a scene view. The visibility of layers can be set via this drop-down at the top right corner of the editor. It is recommended to use the compare tag method over comparing the tag value directly, as the comparison task is faster to execute. This is how you use tags and layers. We will use these properties in the next episode. This is episode 11 of the 2022 Unity Beginners course. I am Yeahlowflicker and I will see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.